Hello and welcome to our special event today. My name is Jan Lalinski and I'm the CEO in eWay-CRM. I'm so pleased to be here with you because we've got many things to introduce. A lot happened since our last release back in April, as many people and businesses all around the world have had to face significant challenges. It was and still is so inspiring to see people helping each other, working together and most importantly, staying optimistic. During these unusual times, we have been able to focus on how people use our product. After all, eWay-CRM is one of the tools that help people in organizations collaborate and work remotely. Many businesses reached us to discuss the best way to run eWay-CRM on various devices, how to set up workflows and configure permissions to protect their company data. This experience provided us with great feedback and helped us reconsider what eWay-CRM means to you, our customers, and how we can make it even better. Most often you mention topics like efficiently communicate with my customers, share data across our organization, and organize my tasks. During this time period, you also started talking more about security, as many people have had to start using their home PCs that are completely out of control of your IT. We realized that this is exactly what we want to keep providing, a simple yet powerful tool that can allow you to efficiently organize your data. A tool that is no longer built for one platform, but can be run on any device that's by hand, and is still integrated with Microsoft Office. This is exactly what the new eWay-CRM 6.1 stands for. Today, I want to show you how you can use the new version in real-life situations. I want you to experience the new eWay-CRM 6.1 and all the news we made. And I also want to give you a gift. So here is what we are going to do. Since eWay-CRM is a tool that helps you efficiently communicate with your customers, let's start with that, because this feature was completely redesigned. I have an Excel sheet with all the participants that joined this event within the last few minutes. I will send you an email with my gift, a voucher for 1000 free emails you can use in your professional email campaigns. But before I do that, I need to import the list to eWay-CRM. Let's do it now, because import is another feature we rebuilt from the scratch. It allows you to take almost any Excel table and import it as it is. Click Contact and Import from Excel. Find your file and hit OK. In the new wizard, you can select the Excel sheet you want to import your data from. You can also match the Excel columns to the eWay-CRM fields. It's easy. As you can see, eWay-CRM has already matched some of them. We just need to do the rest. If you don't want to import any of the columns, you don't have to, just click on this button. When we are done, we click Import. For this example, I instructed my team to intentionally include an error to the Excel sheet because I want to show you something. No one is perfect, and almost every Excel contains some issues. It might be a misspelled text or non-existing value. Since we are aware of that, we added a special troubleshooting page where you can quickly fix all issues you run into right away. Here you can find the affected field, and here you can read the error description. You can also check Skip to skip importing a value in this particular cell. By typing down a new value, you can fix it. So let's do it real quick. We have an error in the field country billing. The value we are trying to import doesn't exist in eWay, so we will choose the right one. So I will select the proper country and hit import. Here we are, our data is successfully imported. Don't be confused, because of data protection I intentionally removed columns with email and last name. The troubleshooting page is really something. It allows you to deal with missing values for mandatory fields, workflow actions, misspelled text or wrong format. You know how sometimes people want to import a text into a numeric field? This page can help you with that. It's so easy. Now back to the gift I want to send you. Wait a second, I have been just told we have a last second attendee. My colleague Raymond here also wants to get a present. Okay Raymond, we will add you to my contact list then. As this is just one contact, I will do it the old school way. Click New and select Contact. I want to do it this way because I'd like to show you a small but important improvement here as well. You no longer need to click full name to enter the person's name. Just type into this field and eWay-CRM will do the rest. Raymond Vido. See? eWay-CRM recognized the individual part of Raymond's name and populated them to proper fields. And his email. And it's done. Now let's hit save and close. Back to the professional emails. You all probably know that eWay-CRM has an inbuilt feature for email campaigns. We call it professional emails because it provides a lot, and I mean a lot. We spent the last 5 months completely redesigning how you manage email campaigns, and I'm happy to show you today. So I will create a campaign and add all of my contacts. 1,000 deals in your pocket. Like Steve Jobs would say. The database I'm working with was empty before we started, so what I have just imported are all contacts we have. Again, because of security reasons, I will not show you email addresses. When done, I will click Action and send a bulk email. We will get a brand new wizard. On the first step, you can choose from our predefined templates. The second one allows you to import a template from an HTML file. If you have already sent any campaigns, you will get an extra tab saying Previous Campaigns. You know that you can use them for your future emails. Before this demo, I made my own template, so I will go with the import from HTML. It's just a simple email where we inform you that if you use eWay-CRM Premium, you will be given 1,000 extra free emails for your own campaigns. You just need to claim the gift by clicking on this hyperlink. In step 3, I will change my name, email address and fill in the subject. info@eway-crm.com. The last step belongs to the summary. I can schedule when the email will be sent or use smart deliveries. I can verify that all of my hyperlinks are valid and my email doesn't look like spam. I can also preview the email so I know how individual recipients will see it. I'm ready, so let's click Send. The new wizard is simple, clean and provides a way how to send email campaigns. We spent many hours testing it and I think the results are just amazing. Let's now have a look at 2 tweaks that can save you a lot of time. Have you ever been in a list of contacts or deals wondering how to quickly add a new journal or a task? I was there just this morning. I was looking at my list of tasks and wanted to add a journal because I spoke with a customer last night. I like to add journals to my tasks, so when I open the task later, I can see all the related communications to the task. Of course, you can open the record and hit Add New, but let's take a look at even faster way. Now you can just right-click on it and hit Add New. You can select from the list of options. Do you want to create a journal, task or a deal? Of course, we added the option to link to existing as well. I will create a journal representing meeting minutes. Subject and my notes. And hit Save. Now pay attention. In the new eWay-CRM, we completely redesigned our Word templates and added new ones. One of the templates is called Minutes. I now click Send as PDF. New email pops up with the email already filled in and my file as an attachment, just like that. Let's finish the email and send it real quick. You can find the new templates in almost all main modules. Meeting minutes, proposals, invoices, letters, project sheets. Use them as you want. If you need us to customize them for you, let us know. We are happy to help. And now to the next topic, an integration with Office 365. eWay-CRM and Microsoft have been always closely linked together. After all, eWay-CRM is a CRM for Outlook, and for us, it's super important to integrate with other Microsoft tools. And today, I'm happy to announce that we finished integrating with Microsoft Power BI. Microsoft included our connector in the October update so that anybody can build beautiful reports and dashboards. Today, I'm gonna show you how it works. It's actually very easy. I will open my Power BI desktop and click Get Data. In the list of providers, I will find eWay-CRM. I will log in by entering my web service address, username and password. Power BI then displays a list of available tables. Just to give you a simple example, I will list all of my customers on a map. So I will choose companies and drop down menu values and wait for a second. I now click on the map control and place it onto my screen. Change the size. Let me just quickly fill in the address fields. And put file as to size. And here we are. My first Power BI report is here. By clicking on this button, you can go to the further details if you want. In our case, cities. One last improvement. Let's rename our fields so that it's easier to understand. This one will be called number of customers. State, city, let's hover our mouse over a pin and here we are, my new titles are there. When I'm done, I can publish it online. And if you use Power BI Pro in your organization, you can make it available for other team members. With eWay-CRM and Power BI integration, you get an amazing tool that helps you analyze your data. The reports can be available on desktop, web and mobile. I love to review my dashboard on my cell phone on my way to work. It's so easy. We are heading to the final part. We also have good news for those who work with the eWay-CRM web and for eWay-CRM administrators. Let's start with the eWay-CRM web. If you log in, you will find a brand new home screen. It contains a list of all available modules, making it easy to open any of them. Also, please note the section Recent. Here you will find a list of items you worked with the last time. You can open them with a simple click. Next, if you open any module, let's say Deals, make sure you don't miss the Group By feature. You can group your records by any columns, just like you are used to in Outlook. So how about to group deals by statuses? The summary will tell you what is the total value for each phase. A similar page has been added to the admin center as well. Let's have a look. If you log in, you'll find a big search panel that makes working with our administration center so easy. What do you want to do? Edit a user? Just type down their name. Or create a custom field? Where? In Deals? Or update your eWay-CRM to the latest release? Here we are! The homepage also contains the most popular videos explaining how you can customize eWay-CRM to your needs. Below, you will also find a list of invoices and payments overdue. This way, you can keep everything under control. Last but not least, you can have a look at the login activity of your team members. It's so easy. eWay-CRM 6.1 is truly something. We could easily spend another hour by going through the rest of the features, so make sure you will review our changelog carefully. We are going to make the update available tomorrow for everybody on a monthly subscription and for lifetime users with paid support. Just watch your mailbox, we will send you a message. And that's all for today. Thank you for staying to the end. I hope you enjoyed this event and I will look forward to meeting you next time. Until that, remember, be effective with eWay-CRM.